Yeah, I decided I'm going to do my low level
0 feet altitude
to Amazon
16 feet distance
from the
9
church.
miles per hour 98% battery.
Then I'll go over and get my still pictures maybe. Maybe it wouldn't be a good day to get still since everything's muddy. So I'll just run the mission from here. See what we get. Got a couple of flights in from different places, which is change it up a little bit. Was out in East Greenbush. Flew from the new press chopper.
300 feet altitude 445 feet distance 24 miles per hour 93% battery.
Went out to Valencia yesterday, which is straight ahead. About 10 miles down here. It's a little, I guess it's about the same size as Skodak, maybe a little bigger. They have a few more businesses. We don't even have a grocery store out here. We have Speedway, Stewart's.
$299 feet altitude 2,635 feet distance 24 miles per hour 87% battery.
God, I hate that sun in the lens. Should have put the hood on, but I didn't. Yeah, this flight's sketchy for me from here. That signal comes in and out, so. But it's proven to be quite safe. I have my GPS on board in case I have any problems. So now I was over at the orchard flying. I think it was, what's today? Wednesday, maybe Sunday or Monday. When I was watching the video, I saw this kind of weird looking shadow on the ground, and I start looking closer.
Feet distance, 22 miles per hour, 81% battery.
What the heck am I looking at? It's hard to see. I'm just trying to get the fucking lighting right. Yeah, it's a little hairy when it goes by that tree. I should have moved that. I wanted thinking about it, but I forget.
Disconnected.
So anyways, I saw this shadow or something on the ground, and I'm looking around, and I'm looking closer, and it looked like I saw something flying around. It was like the size of a pterodactyl. What it turned out to be, it was huge. You couldn't tell. I was flying at 300 feet, so this thing had to be about 200 feet under me. And I was never really close enough to get a good look at it, but I could see it. It was, it was gliding around over one of the orchards, and it was, at first I thought it was a hawk because they're everywhere out here, and then I thought, nah, that's too big to be a hawk. And I looked at it, and it was really had dark wings, and you can see at one of its turns it had a white head. So I mean, from that one position I had for a couple of seconds, I could tell it was a bald eagle, which is pretty cool. And the thing was huge, and luckily it didn't see the drone, because it would have had the drone for lunch.
Disconnected.
I got telemetry, but I don't have a picture. That's the only thing I don't like about this is I lose connection. But like I said, it's safe. I'm not worried about it. I know I'm not going to hit anything. Got a breeze coming in now. Fairly mild.
Warning, disconnected.
A fucking mess down there, huh? I can't tell. Everything looks pixelated.
Warning, disconnected.
It's gotta wait it out. Should be getting it back right about now.
Warning, disconnected.
Wow, it's almost 7 o'clock. Damn. We got telemetry. No picture yet. There we go.
299 feet altitude. 4,757 feet distance. 24 miles per hour. 52% battery.
So for most of that, I don't know what we were looking at. It's gonna go down around Pepinos and then back up again. Come back. Come on back. There's no breeze right now.
Warning, disconnected.
Sketchy signal today. I don't know, I'm hardcore. I'll probably go over there to the storage shed and just do that.
299 feet altitude, 4,977 feet distance, 25 miles per hour, 41% battery.
Yeah, why not? Gonna go to the grocery store too. Get some club soda. I've got one of those soda stream things, and I'm stubborn. I need another can of CO2. And I won't buy one because it's a ripoff. It's like you trade one in, it's like 30 bucks for a can of fucking gas. But I'm trying to find a place that you can find dry ice.
299 feet altitude.
Because that's how you make it.
2,757 feet distance.
I can't find dry ice.
Miles per hour. 36% battery.
You take the dry ice, you break it up, and you put the tank for the gas on a scale, and you put in 350 grams of dry ice in there, and then seal it up, and that makes the CO2 gas as it evaporates and it gets under pressure. So until then, I gotta go buy club soda, which is like what normal people do. And I'm normally not normal.
$299 feet altitude, 649 feet distance, 25 miles per hour, 32% battery.
Let me head on back here. Little bastard's over my head right now.
Mission ended. $321 feet altitude, 1,420 feet distance, 32 miles per hour, 27% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 25%.
Bring them back.
Warning, aircraft battery at 22%, 386 feet altitude, 999 feet distance, 22 miles per hour, 21% battery.
Sun is shining right in his eyes.
Warning, aircraft battery at 19%. Warning, aircraft battery at 16%. 55 feet altitude. 10 feet distance. 2 miles per hour. 15% battery.
Coming down right where it took off. Perfect. And the motor stopped. How nice. That doesn't always happen. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna go over there and do my low level mission.
Warning,
Over to the what it looks like a shithole today with all the mud. And I'll get my stills. Dito about.